So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting all the time. So the first way to fix it is adjusting power management. For this, press Windows key on your keyboard. Now here type device manager. Press enter to open it. Now here expand network adapters. Now here right click on a Wi-Fi adapter, which is this one. Now here select properties. Now here click on power management. Now here uncheck this option which says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. And that's it. This should fix the issue. If the issue is still not fixed, then try to update or reinstall the driver. To update the driver, right click on it. Now here click on update driver. Now here click on search automatically for drivers. And this will update the driver. If the issue is still not fixed, then reinstall it. For this, right click on it. Now click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall. And this will uninstall it. Now after this, restart your PC. And once you do this, open device manager again. Click on action. Now here click on scan for hardware changes. Wait for a few seconds. And as you can see here, the driver is reinstalled. Now this should basically fix the issue. But in case the issue is still not resolved, then perform a network reset. For this, press Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Now here on the left pane, click on Network and Internet. Now here click on Advanced Network Settings. Now here click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now here click on Yes. And this will reset your network. And once you do this, the issue will be resolved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting all the time. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.